Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Kevin here, and I am going to show you how you can connect your PS5 controller to your iPhone or your iPad. So if you have a PS5 controller, all you need to do is press the share button and the PS button at the same time. We'll just hold it for a couple of seconds. And it's right now it's flashing, so it means that it is in pairing mode. And if we look at the iPad, we see Dualsense wireless controller. You just tap on that, and boom, our PS5 controller is paired with our iPad. And if you can see here, it has this orange highlight, so that means that it's paired to your iOS device. If you want to unpair it, you can tap on the information icon, and then you can either hit disconnect or forget this device. Either way, the choice is yours, and hopefully this video will help you get the most out of your PS5 and your iPhone or iPad if you have one. And if you have a PS5, then happy holidays. You're going to be in for such a treat. Do all of the YouTube things, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.